So the first MCQ here is the atmospheric condition at a given place and time is called weather. It is called weather. Turn your page number 251. You will find another MCQ. Water content in the air is known as. So humidity, it is known as humidity. So the water content in the air is known as humidity. So option B, humidity. Again turn your page number 253. We have 5 MCQs. So the first one is our way of life is influenced by. So usually our way of life, what we wear, what we eat depends upon the climate. Second one, places near the equator receives the. So the places that are near to equator receives direct sun rays. And the one that is near to poles receives slanting sun rays. So the here answer is option C, direct. Third question, rains have their source in. Rains have their source in. Answer is wind. So this rains have the source. From where they comes? They comes from the wind. Means how the rain is gonna happen, how the climate is gonna happen depends upon the wind that they come from. So rains depends from the source, their source in winds. And fourth one, places near the sea coast get dash rain. So the places that are nearer to the coastal line receives more rain. So option B. Fifth one, places that are very cold experiences snowfall. They don't experience rainfall, they experience snowfall. Okay, so we have seen blanks. The world is divided into dash major climatic region. So the world is divided into 3 climatic zones, right? First one was torrid, then temperate and frigid zone. Okay, which was divided based upon the equators, right? The second one question is the dash zone lies on both sides of the equator and touches both the tropics. Which was that zone? That zone was torrid zone, which lies between Tropic of Cancer in north and Tropic of Capricorn in the south. I hope you remember this. The dash zone has extremely cold climate. It was frigid zone and it lies between Arctic Circle and the North Pole and in the northern hemisphere, and Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. Okay, in this region sun rays falls slanting. The rays has to travel, so they give very little heat. Winds have great effect on the dash of the place. So winds have a great effect on climate. Climate of the region depends upon the winds from where they comes in. Okay, I hope you remember all this point from your lesson. Okay, now we will see meanings. The first one is heat zone. Means the division of the earth according to the climate. So the earth is divided according to the climate, that is called heat zone. We have seen tropic zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. They are the heat zones of earth. Frigid, the zone that is the coolest. So the zone that is the coolest is known as frigid zone. Then we have temperate, the zone that is neither too hot nor too cold. यानी जो ज़्यादा गर्म भी नहीं है और ज़्यादा cold भी नहीं, वो temperate zone. और टॉरिड होता है जो डायरेक्ट रेज ऑफ द सन, मीन्स विच इज़ नियरर टू द इक्वेटर. सो द क्लाइमेट विल बी हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड थ्रू आउट द ईयर, दैट इज टॉरिड जोन. नाउ नेक्स्ट एल्टीट्यूड, विच इज़ द वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी लेवल. सी लेवल से जो वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस है वो क्या है? एल्टीट्यूड. और ह्यूमिडिटी, वाटर कंटेंट इन द एयर. वी हैव सीन इन द MCQ also. Weather, weather means the condition of air, the temperature in which you are living. Wind, air pressure, how much rain you are getting, the water content in the air, humidity in the atmosphere of a given place or at a particular time is known as weather. So I hope meanings are clear to you. Okay, next question is write short answers. The first one is define humidity. You know that humidity is the content of water in air. We will see a definition for it. The amount of water vapor or moisture contained in the air is called humidity. It affects the climate of a place and causes rainfall. So the amount of water vapor or a moisture in the air is called humidity, and humidity also affects the climate of a place, and it is also a reason to cause rainfall. Next question is differentiate between weather and climate. You have to give difference between weather and climate. What are the difference between both of them? So weather is a condition of air temperature, wind, air pressure, rainfall and humidity in the atmosphere at a given place and time. So weather क्या होता है? Air, temperature, हवा, air pressure, जितनी rainfall, humidity, इन सब का एक टाइम एक प्लेस पे जो कंडीशन है वो वेदर है. पर क्लाइमेट एवरेज वेदर कंडीशन ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए एक जगह पे क्या वेदर प्रिवेल करता है वो उस जगह का क्लाइमेट. सेकेंड पॉइंट, वेदर कीप्स चेंजिंग एट शॉर्ट इंटरवल्स एंड मे चेंज मैनी टाइम्स ड्यूरिंग अ डे. सो जो वेदर होता है वो शॉर्ट इंटरवल में चेंज होता रहता है. जैसे सुबह में कभी ठंडी होती है, दोपहर आते आते बहुत गर्मी लगना, ये सब क्या है, वेदर चेंज होता रहता है. दिन में भी चेंज हो सकता है और जल्दी जल्दी चेंज होता है. पर क्लाइमेट ऑफ अ प्लेस यूजुअली रिमेन्स द सेम. पर जो क्लाइमेट होता है वो सेम रहता है एक जगह का. थर्ड पॉइंट, वेदर अफेक्ट्स आवर डेली एक्टिविटी, क्लाइमेट अफेक्ट्स आवर वे ऑफ लाइफ. सो जो वेदर है वो हमारी डेली एक्टिविटी को अफेक्ट करता है. मतलब हम कहीं बाहर जाने का प्लान कर रहे हैं और बारिश गिर जाए तो हमारी डेली एक्टिविटी उससे अफेक्ट हो सकती है वेदर से. और जो क्लाइमेट है उससे हमारा वे ऑफ लिविंग, मतलब अब ठंडी आ रही है तो हम कपड़े अलग करेंगे पहनेंगे और हाँ फूड अलग प्रेफर करेंगे ठंडी में, जो गर्मी में अलग कपड़े प्रेफर करते हैं. तो क्लाइमेट से क्या होता है, हमारा वे ऑफ लाइफ, मतलब हम कैसे जी रहे हैं उसमें अफेक्ट करता है. और वेदर हमारा दिन जो जैसे बीत रहा है उससे अफेक्ट कर सकता है. Okay, now third question is how does rain occur? We have to tell how rain occurs. So the wind that blows over ocean and seas carry moisture. So जो हवा होती है वो ओशन और सीज पे जब फ्लो करती है, ब्लो करती है तो उसमें मॉइस्चर कंटेन होता है. दिस मॉइस्चर winds rise up and cool to form water droplets that fall down as rain. So जो मॉइस्ट विंड है, मतलब जो हवा वाली मॉइस्चर कंटेन करी हुई हवा है वो ऊपर उठती है, ठंडी होके वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स फॉर्म करके रेन फॉर्म होता है. सो आई होप you are clear with the short answers. We will see answer the following questions.